I love it. Okay, can we jump into this last one? Because I think this last one is like super crazy powerful, and we already touched on it in the very beginning. But how is our competition stealing from us when it comes to Google My Business?
Okay, Crystal, go for it. You're the spam queen. Go for it.
Well, we call it Google My Business spam. Really what it is it is your competitor who is keyword stuffing all of the keywords that are being typed into Google so that they make sure to show up in the primary spot and listing that as their business title. They're not actually.
So you guys saw that when they Googled Life Coach Miami, the person who showed up on the top was Life Coach Miami /coach/life/coach/life/life coach. It's like
that is known as spam. Well, my favorite one here, I'll have to show you, which we took down for Kayla. That one's my favorite. In a matter of 3 days, we got it taken off, and she moved from the 5th position to the 1st spot when we got that one removed. So it does make a big difference. This is literally the business name. And the rule, Google's rule is you have to put the same business name that you have listed with the state or that you have listed on your website. So that
was a question that came up earlier from Winnie. She was asking if she could use her name or if she needed to use her LLC, but you need to use the one that you've registered.
Yeah, definitely. You've got to use the one that's registered.
Crystal also addressed the question about, does Google tell your competitors that you busted them? It comes up every time.
That's a great question. No, it does not. One of Google's goals is to protect the privacy of any business or any individual that, like a local guide, that will flag a review or flag a Google My Business page for spam fighting. And so privacy is definitely something that Google has at play. And so that information is not shared with whomever you turn in.
Because I was concerned, like some of the people were actually, for our clients, some of the people were actually people that we knew. But Ryan made it very clear that like this is not okay, actually, and it's not like going to close them down as a business. It's just going to fix the bad practices. That's like really not okay.
Right.
Yeah, it changes their title. Now we do have a removal strategy where if somebody has a duplicate listing or they're actually not at that location, and they're egregiously breaking Google's terms of service, we can get that extra location removed or that fake business removed completely. So there's two types of spam. There's what we call location spam, which means or like duplication spam, which means we can get them removed. Or there's actually keyword stuffing, which is a different type where we just get the title changed, and then typically they'll rank lower, and then all of a sudden you start ranking at the top again, which is where you should be.